The Eurofighter Typhoon will remain operational for a long time, potentially until 2060. This is what Airbus and BAE Systems said in response to the Indian media outlet idrw.org. The reason for the clarification from the two manufacturers comes at a time when speculation is swirling that the Tempest next-gen fighter program will replace Italy's and the United Kingdom's Typhoons by 2040. For both Typhoons' manufacturing partner countries, UK, Italy, Germany, and Spain, and external operators, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Austria, Qatar, and Kuwait, this news is very good. This means that for at least the next 3.5 decades, the servicing and upgrading of the Eurofighter fleets will continue. India also has an interest in such assurance, as the Eurofighter is a bidder for India's Medium Multi-Role Fighter Aircraft (MRFA) program. According to local analysts, Eurofighter is a serious competitor to Rafale in the auction. The reason is that India could receive technology transfer, which means supporting the local Made in India program. However, it is still believed, according to expert opinion, that Rafale continues to have a better chance in the MRFA program. Recently, we came across an intriguing report, the Eurofighter Economic Impact Assessment by PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC. This report suggests a growth scenario with potential sales of up to 287 new aircraft, including those already contracted but not yet delivered. Released by the Eurofighter consortium on April 9, the report envisions hundreds of additional versatile combat aircraft being sold to both exporting nations and consortium partners. It highlights a base scenario that involves maintaining the current fleet of 680 jets across 9 nations along with 83 upcoming Quadriga and Halcon I, 2 purchases for Germany and Spain. This would sustain production for a few years. However, the report clearly states that additional domestic and export contracts are crucial for continued production. PwC estimates that alongside the 38 Quadriga and 45 Halcon I, 2 jets already set, an additional 74 partner nation and 130 export nation sales will be needed to keep the final assembly factories in Germany, Manching, Italy, Kassel, Spain, Getafe, and the UK, Wharton, operational. The competition for India's MRFA contract is expected to be stiff, but Airbus is determined to present the Eurofighter as a strong contender in modern air warfare.